Hey guys, Kyle King, Metro 57. I want to speak about sales for a second. The internet has made a lot of things out there transactional. You click on a form, you fill out the form gets sent back to the computer sends it back, and all of a sudden you've bought something for $5. There's no interaction with a person. In the case of construction, or what I deal in, which is I deal in oddball construction jobs, multifamily and also single family remodeling. I can't just point and click and make things happen. I have to actually interact with people. So talking, knowing how to listen. I got 2 of these and 1 of these. I need to listen to clients' problems. So there's a lot of listening, consulting that goes on. In the case of what I am set up to do is I listen to their problems and then I advise them on how fast. I tell them the bad news. Hey, I can't get there for 3 weeks. And they either have to like it or they move on to the next guy. But they appreciate the honesty. Selling them on something like, yeah, we'll get that done, and then not doing anything for 3 weeks, you just pissed them off, and that client doesn't want to use you in the future. So knowing how to talk to people, knowing how to listen, knowing how to put together bids, we can speak to that in the future, but right now, the thing is on bids, don't rip people's heads off. Just give them a good value, charge a little profit, and make sure that the relationship works for both parties. One of my big things I say with my clients is, I do work, you do money. If they don't know how to pay you on time, you don't need to do the work. And stop doing the work if you think it starts to get tumultuous with you and the payment. I've talked to many a contractor that says, I'm 3 months in, I hadn't got a check yet. Man, I'd have stopped work way before then. So sales is about listening. It's also about talking. It's all about solving problems, but you got to listen. So good luck on that. Give me a call if you need any help. Kyle King, Metro 57.